Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Vibes channel. Today we're diving into some of the coolest bikes you can pick up for under $5,000. That's right, motorcycles that won't empty your wallet. Whether you're brand new to riding or already a seasoned expert, these choices are made for you. So let's jump right into our top 3 picks. Number 3, CF Moto 300SS. Say hello to the CF Moto 300SS, a groundbreaking motorcycle that's shaking things up for riders everywhere. Created by the innovative team at CF Moto, this two-wheeled machine combines performance, reliability, and affordability in a way few others can match. At its heart, the 300SS shows off a bold, aggressive design that instantly grabs attention on the road. But what really makes it stand out is the exceptional value it delivers. Beneath that sharp exterior sits a strong 292cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine producing a solid 29 horsepower. Paired with a smooth, responsive 6-speed gearbox, the 300SS offers exciting performance and easy control, ideal for both new and experienced riders. And it's not just about power. This bike is loaded with features that boost comfort and convenience. From its modern LED lighting to the stylish alloy wheels, every element is designed to enhance your ride. With a price of only $4,499 plus a $250 freight surcharge, the 300SS gives riders incredible value for the money. So if you want maximum performance without the steep price, the CF Moto 300SS is where affordability and performance meet in perfect balance. Number 2, Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Royal Enfield is a brand that often doesn't get the attention it deserves, even though it holds huge popularity across parts of Asia and Europe. In the US, though, it hasn't quite reached that same level of recognition. Even so, Royal Enfield currently sells 9 different models in the US, all priced under $10,000. And among those, 4 of them come in below the $5,000 mark. The Bullet 350, Hunter 350, Classic 350, and Meteor 350. From these, the Bullet 350 stands out as an especially appealing option for riders wanting an iconic motorcycle without a high price tag. Known as the bike that transformed the world of motorcycling, the Bullet's heritage reaches all the way back to 1932, making it the longest continuously produced motorcycle model in history. Under its timeless exterior sits a 349cc engine supported by a twin downtube cradle frame. While it's not the most powerful or fastest machine out there, the Bullet provides a dependable ride that echoes the legacy it's built on. Offered in 3 classic colors, black gold, black, and maroon, the Bullet 350 lets riders enjoy nostalgia without overspending. With a price of just $4,699, it's a great option for budget-minded riders who still want that unmistakable Royal Enfield feel. In short, the Bullet 350 captures everything that makes Royal Enfield special. Its rich history, trustworthy performance, and wallet-friendly cost make it an easy choice for anyone wanting a classic motorcycle experience at an unbeatable value. Number 1, Yamaha V-Star 250. Yamaha, a major name in the motorcycle world for nearly 70 years, has earned its reputation through decades of reliable, forward-thinking machines. From powerful supersport models to tough off-road bikes, Yamaha has succeeded across nearly every category. Expanding that lineup, Yamaha introduced the V-Star 250, a standout option in the sport heritage family. First launched in 2001 and taking over for the Virago 250 in 2008, the V-Star 250 captures the spirit of a true sport bike without the heavy price tag. Thanks to its sleek styling and beginner-friendly design, it's a great starting point for riders who are just stepping into motorcycling. With a wheelbase of 58.7 inches and a low 27-inch seat height, the V-Star provides a comfortable, confidence-boosting ride, especially for newcomers. Powering the V-Star is a distinctive air-cooled 249cc V-twin engine, which sets it apart from others in its class. Its dual exhaust system adds both visual flair and extra personality. For 2024, the Yamaha V-Star 250 is priced at $4,799 before the $550 destination charge. With its mix of performance, affordability, and stylish design, the V-Star 250 gives new riders a great platform to begin their journey on two wheels. So whether you're interested in the heritage-rich Royal Enfield Bullet 350, the sturdy and value-packed CF Moto 300 SS, or the sporty confidence of the Yamaha V-Star 250, each one offers its own unique riding experience, without crossing that $5,000 mark. With choices like these, you can hit the road full of excitement and confidence. Pick the one that fits your style best and start your next adventure with energy. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. Take care.